Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a replica of the BMW R1200 RT-Police, which is a 112 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Newray. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a look at the boxing as always. So this BMW R1200 RT-Police diecast replica comes in a standard window type box, and as you can see, the BMW R1200 RT-P, which is the model of this replica, is bang in the middle on the bottom and on the top as well. And on this upper corner of the box you will see the scale, which is a 112 scale, and to the other upper corner is the Newray logo. And flipping over to the sides, you will see the Newray logo and the BMW branding along with the graphic of this BMW replica, which is the same at the back as well. And flipping over to the bottom of the box, you will find a bit of legal information regarding this diecast BMW motorcycle replica, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. Well, to begin with, this BMW R1200 RT-Police replica comes in many color variants, and as you can see, we just unboxed the standard black and white variant. So before we begin, let me just say that this is one of my favorite tourer motorcycles, and I'm glad that I finally got this replica to add to Dnation's 112 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that I'm not really satisfied with the build quality, as most of the components are made of plastic with very little diecast parts. Well, I wish I could have had a better build quality and a lot more of diecast and a proper finish. But as I mentioned, I'm glad that I got this replica of the BMW Police variant, and I should however admit that this model looks quite stunning and looks just as beautiful as its real life counterpart. So with that being said, let's get down to a few features. Well, this model comes with a silver chassis with an amazing black and white paint scheme, with a steerable front fork with a well sculpted and massive front unit which is in black and white, which comes with a headlight, a pair of turn signals and an additional pair of siren lights cum rear view mirrors with the BMW logo and the police decals on both sides. And this front unit flows into a movable handlebar with a well-detailed speedometer gauge with black hand grips along with the clutch and brake lever. And besides the build quality and the finish, I'm really happy with this particular diecast replica. And moving down is a beautiful two-tone front fender that wraps around a fully silver spoked wheel and rubber tire along with dual disc brake unit, which are well detailed. So moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in black with some cool fabrication work on the tank, which is in silver. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed box engine sculpt with a single chrome exhaust, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out, and not forgetting a front crash bar which adds a good touch of detail. And talking about the seat, it's a single seater which is in black that flows well with the rest of this BMW Police replica. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a rear box with siren lights and a pair of turn signals along with two side boxes that are in black and white with the police decals on both sides that are mounted to the rear fender, which is a good detail. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup has a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels along with a side stand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 170 grams, which are a little bigger than standard 112 scale specs. So So overall, this is a beautiful replica of the BMW Police and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed diecast motorcycle replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, by the looks of it, the functionality seems to be amazing and quite as decent as its detailed exteriors. And this BMW R1200 RT-Police replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for functionality. So with that being said, let's place this BMW Police replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on police motorcycles coming up. A police motorcycle is a motorcycle used by various police departments. They may be custom designed to meet the requirements unique of a particular use. A police motorcycle is often called a moto by police officers in the United States. Similarly, motorcycle units are known as moto units and motorcycle officers are known as moto officers. The maneuverability of the motorcycle on crowded streets offer advantage not provided by larger, more traditional police vehicles. The motorcycle's relatively small size allows it to get to accident scenes more quickly when incidents such as traffic collisions slow down access by four-wheel vehicles. Police motorcycles are also used in police funerals, VIP motorcades, and other special events. In 2008, BMW claimed to be the largest seller of motorcycles for authority use, as more than 100,000 BMW motorcycles were in official use in over 150 countries on 5 continents. In 2007, BMW sold 4,284 police motorcycles worldwide. BMW produces factory-built police-specific models such as the R1200 RT-P and R900 RT-P. And for further information on police motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing BMW RT-Police replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this awesome diecast replica. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And please do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.